Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I created this beautiful custom set, please continue watching. So we are just going to jump right into it. To start off, for the base of these nails, I am going to be using my Vanillisa gel polish, and this is in the color Nude. And I will be applying 2 layers of this color over all the nails. Now, because we are in fall time, I did go ahead and pull out some of my brown gel polishes, and I'm using a mix of this Rosalind gel and a bunch of iGel Beauty brown colors. As you guys probably have noticed if you watch several of my videos, iGel Beauty is one of my favorite gel polish brands to use, or brand in general. My UV lamp is by iGel Beauty as well. I really love that brand of nail products. So yes, I'm just going to be using a different assortment of browns, some darker, some light. I'm also going to be using this D&D fudgicle color. It's like a really dark brown, but at the same time it has red undertones, so sometimes it could look a little bit red. But yeah, I still use that as well. And I'm also using white, and the white shade that I'm using is by D&D. And yeah, it's called White Chalk. And I'm just going to be applying all those shades to my little mixing palette. Now we're getting into the fun part. I am going to be doing some swirls, and I just took one of the lighter brown colors by iGel Beauty, and I'm just going ahead and drawing like little swirls on the thumb, the ring fingernail, and the pinky nail as well. And this process, you guys, is a timely process. It does take some time. Right after you do one layer of the swirls, you do want to cure it in your UV lamp for at least, I would say, 15 seconds, just so those colors don't mix together when you're adding the other colors next to those swirls, if that makes sense. But yeah, so you want to cure between each swirl is what I'm trying to say. So yeah, this process does take some time, but the effect is so beautiful and it's so worth it. So with the other two nails, I did decide to do a flower design on these nails. I feel like these little flowers have been trending on Instagram and like Pinterest, and I feel like they're extra cute like in brown for fall. So yeah, I decided to go in with these little flowers, and how I do them is I take a little dotting tool and I just create 5 little dots and then connect them in the middle, and they look so cute when they're all finished and done. Then here, you guys, I'm just taking some smaller crystals. These are in like the champagne color crystals, and I'm going to be applying my glue. This is the KDS glue, and it's just a little tube glue, and I'm going to be applying little dots in the middle of those flowers and applying those rhinestones right in the middle. And I was going to do this after I put top coat, but I decided to put top coat over those little diamonds just because they're so small. It doesn't really matter if you get top coat on top of them. But yeah, and I think that the finished look is beautiful. Now you want to go in with your gel top coat. I'm using my iGel Beauty No Cleanse top coat, and I'm applying a good amount of that over the nails, all the nails. And after that, you guys are completely done. If you want, you can go ahead and file the tops just to make them a little like sharper, a little more crisp, like straighter line. But yes, this is the finished look, you guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely see you guys in my next video.